Bread gang, what's going on? How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a great day. I got off work today, decided to come home, and guess what I found? Something came in the mail today. Can you hear my little doggy barking in the background? Something came in the mail today that I'm really excited to show you guys. I've been talking about it on the channel for a little while. It is the newest mod to the truck that is going on hopefully in the next week or so. Just a couple little quick updates before we jump into the video. The 7-inch blocks are going into the back of the truck hopefully this weekend, if not sometime next week. And the new mod is going on hopefully next week, maybe this weekend. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure when, but Bread Gang decals are being made currently. We're trying to finalize a design, and we are a little over 2 weeks out from the truck meet. So I hope everybody's excited. If you haven't, make sure to hit up @bowtie truck meet on Instagram. Send me a picture of your truck if you're gonna be able to make it down, so I can keep count of who's coming. It's gonna be a great time. Everybody that comes gets 50% off when you come to it. So let's come out, just have a good time, eat some chicken, and have a good time. But I'm gonna run down here and I'm gonna go grab the newest mod to the truck. I'm super excited to show you guys. I've been talking about it for a while. I know it's been probably 6 months or more before I've really done anything huge to the truck. And I'm super excited to get back to doing stuff to the truck. I've got this big one coming today, and then I've got a couple small ones on the way, but we're gonna keep going. I mean, the mods are gonna keep coming. We're finally getting back to doing stuff to the truck, and I'm super excited. So I'm gonna run down here, grab it. But first, let's roll the intro. They're gonna hate me for this one. We've gotten a lot of bread today.
Everybody get kicked out of Bojangles.
Hey, baby! Does it look cool?
Your pizza's here.
I do have on the typical vlog shirt today. I mean, I try and put this shirt on when I know I'm gonna film at this point because I've worn it in enough videos. So there are a couple of you that tried to guess what it was, and there was 1 or 2 of you that got it right. A lot of you said wheel lights. No, I already have wheel lights on the truck, but good guess. But we are just gonna dive into what it is. I'm not even gonna make you wait any longer. Yes, I've already opened the box because I wanted to make sure everything was right, but this is it. We're gonna so I see YouTubers do this all the time, try and unbox with just one hand, and it's not the easiest thing. So ta-da! So before we get into it, Lighting Trends, shout out to Lighting Trends on Instagram. Great product, great customer service. I can't wait to get these in. But they are wheel lights is what it is as well. Double row wheel lights. It's what we got going on to the truck. So right here looks like we just got a bunch of cable, bunch of wiring, harness, some more wiring, maybe the Bluetooth unit, maybe. Enjoy the color, enjoy the magic. Ooh, I like that. Bunch of screws. We got a bunch of wiring, plenty of wiring, but these are the lights that will go around the metal rings that go on the dust shield. I believe my buddy Dalton is going to help me put these on, and we got your brackets here that go onto that. For those of you that have never seen wheel lights before, I'm assuming most of you have, but maybe some of you haven't. I'm going to insert a picture of my buddy Daniel, his truck right here. His Instagram name should be right in front of you, but the picture in front of you, as you can see, you have the wheel light that is connected to the dust shield, or the piece that's connected to the dust shield. The ones I have are a single color, they strobe colors, and if I can find a picture, they have the rainbow that goes all the way around and it rotates. So it's a double row. I can do any color, any flashing, any rotating combination. I'm super excited for those. And I mean, this is just the start of some of the great mods that are coming to the truck. I've told y'all before, I do plan on completely redoing the truck at some point. Hopefully by the end of the year is my goal to do that. And of course, I'll do it the right way. I'll get a rendering done and the whole 9 yards. So I'm super excited to get that underway. But this is just the start. I mean, I've always wanted wheel lights ever since I started. Ever since I've been, hanging out with my guys in Valdosta. Some of them have wheel lights, and I've just been, God dang it. And I've just been really excited to get wheel lights. My dog in there is going crazy. But all the quality looks great. The packaging is great. Everything's sealed tight. There's no no breaks in anything or anything like that. You know, I'm super excited to get this all, you know, unboxed and, you know, just get it on. I mean, this is gonna make the truck really stand out. I mean, having double row lights on the truck, on the wheels, you know, as crazy as it is already, is gonna be something pretty awesome. So it's got, you know, all the instructions, and I've got buddies that have done them before. So stay tuned. Me and Lighting Trends have got some more stuff on the way. Every bit of lighting on the truck that's possible will be done by Lighting Trends at some point. So shout out to them. I'm just really excited to get this going. Really, that's about it. I mean, I just wanted to show y'all what it was, give y'all a chance to, you know, just take it in with me. You know, I'm really excited, really excited. This has been, you know, something I've been wanting for a long time, and to be honest, I'm really excited to get the blocks back in. I'm so tired of the squad at this point. It bothers me every time I look at it now. I've got so much going on. Hopefully this weekend the blocks can go in, and then next week the wheel lights can go in before the truck meet. So stay tuned. If you like my videos, if you're part of the bread gang already, thank you so much for supporting. If you like the videos, if you're having fun, if you like watching them, make sure to hit the like button. Definitely hit the subscribe button. That helps me out. And just keep watching. I mean, that's all I can ask for. I mean, that's just the support and everything. It means so much to me. So thank you so much. I'm super excited. I will keep y'all with updates. Oh, right before I go, hype video should be coming out later this week, maybe early next week. My guy Ryan's been super busy. Shout out to him. I know he's a busy guy, just like I am. And you know, things take time sometimes. So shout out to him. He's awesome. I'm gonna put his information right here. Make sure y'all go check him out. Show him some love so we can get that hype video out. And as always, let's get this bread.